How are you today, guys? Hi to all of my viewers. Thanks for your time, guys. Thanks for your likes and comments. I really appreciate your comments and likes. So, thank you for that, guys. That's all I can say to you. I know that words is enough to say thank you. And please continue watching my channel and to Philip channel too. And there is a channel that I would like to shout out. My friend channel is Miss Vlog. Please visit her channel, and also the channel of Filipina Aussie Dream Expat. So, okay, I'm here in the garden. It's because I would like to pick up some pechay. And that is why I'm carrying a little basket here. I'm going to make this afternoon sinigang. Sinigang, guys. A pork soup, but it's a sour. Okay. So let's start picking up now the leaves. I'll just break it here. My pechay looking good, guys. So my next excuse me, a pechay, I don't wanna plant it here. I'm going to try to plant to the like lettuce process. So this is not going to be like this my next pechay. It's because this one needs a lot of, you need to water every morning and afternoon if no rain, because it is full of soil. And pechay needs water too. So I am just curious here why the leaves is looking this way. But I don't want to cook the leaves like that. Only the stalk. I'm not sure what is this. Today, Ondoy and Philip, whole day they were going to get rice hay. Today is 19th of March. It's Tuesday, and Kuya Doris did not. Hi guys, I'm not done yet with my ingredients. I'm here at the back here. Tomato. I need some tomato for my sinigang. Here is the tomato. Fresh. This is my second time harvest. Okay, wow, yummy. There.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna walk here, get some more tomato. I'll set it here. Wow, nice. Nice tomato here, Daile. More. Nice. No, and blossom. Nice tomato. Okay. Here you go. This is good. For my sinigang. Fresh tomato from the garden. Oh, they still have here. Here. Okay. These are my ingredients. Pichay, and tomato, and tamarind pot. And here is the meat here. Wow, it keep on boiling here. So I'll be back. I'm going to add now the tomato to add flavor. And the tamarind is already there too. There you go. See my soap here. Now I'm going to add the pichay. Very nice soap, Dile.
Yeah, good. And then we'll go pick up some more rice after
Wow, my soap, very, very nice. So gorgeous, my, my sinigang. I'm going to wait, I guess 3 minutes from now. I'll be back. Sabah. Let's eat here, guys. That's my sinigang. So yummy. And we're having a lunch here now.
Hello.
Bye, guys. It's time for me to eat, so